So sabi nila, ang World War II ay nagsimula sa Pilipinas noong December 8, 1941, nung nag-start magbomba ang mga Japanese planes. John Hay, Clark, Manila, Davao, lahat kung saan merong bases or camps. Doon ang start ng World War II officially, no? Just hours after Pearl Harbor. Dito po umusbong ang ating mga guerrilla movements. And dito po sa Benguet, pinaka-prominent ang 66th Infantry Regiment, ano? Under, at that time, the USAFIP NL, nandito ang tinatawag nilang Shobu Line. Ito po yung pinakamaraming personnel ng Hapon dito po sa North Luzon, no? That's why importante po yung North Luzon sa World War II history. Pagdating nila dito, halos tapos na. Why? Because of the Filipinos. All over the Liberation Trail, marami pong ganong kwento. Our Filipino forefathers, your fathers, were the ones who really did the dirty job, the hard work. At nakita nila yung USAFIP NL at lalo na yung 66, sabi nila, oo nga, totoo nga, 4,000 na siguro yung napatay nila kasi mga matatapang. In fact, sabi nga ni Mayor, this area was never truly conquered by the Japanese forces. So palakpakan po natin ang ating mga tatay at mga lolo dito sa Kapangan. You should be proud of that family history. Ito po yung ating pinagmamalaki, no, bilang sons and daughters. Not because of anything that we have done, but because of what our fathers have done. Like our veterans here, our retirees here, nagsilbi din sila sa country. And that is not something that everyone is given a privilege to do. So palakpakan po natin ang ating mga veterans and AFP retirees. Mga sir, mga ma'am, thank you po sa inyong service sa ating bayan.
Kasi sa labanan, hindi lang lakas, hindi lang yung patapangan, kundi talino ang gagamitin upang magapi ang isang kalaban. Ang sabi nga, never fight the enemy in equal term. Ito sa mga ating mga veterans, mga tira-tira ng bala, mga ito, galing sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Mga South Rangers, mga datihan.
The relation of Liberation Day is a part of this Grand March. Why Grand March Festival ngayon? Because of this. It was said na never conquered by the Japanese soldier yung Camp Utopia. Nung sumuko na si Yamashita, there you are. Sumayaw lahat po yung mga guerrilla, lahat ng mga support doon sa bundok. And then it was spread out to the sitio, to the barangay, until now. It is the dance, so we are, kami ho yung tinatawag na the Grand March capital of Benguet, no?
The people of Kapangan, and the official dam, and the employees in the heads of offices are inviting you to join us on the March 21, the Grand March Festival. Ada itiwat-wat na at dapat itisala na. So amin sa lahat po ng ating bisita, please come join us on March 21, the Grand March Festival 2025. God bless and mabuhay po tayo.